Read a little more so I can educate my peers. Eat from my soul and cleanse my spirit. Pray cause I'm ready for the bloom of the city. Since serenity is on. You got me feeling somewhere, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Xoxo here with another video. Yes, I'm holding the camera. I didn't feel like doing a whole sit down video, so I'm just sitting on the floor recording. If the video is shaking, it's because my hand is tired from holding the camera. But bear with me, I won't hold you. Okay, so today's video is gonna be a college dorm room / room, because I'm not really in a dorm anymore. It's apartment style, but a room tour in college. If you guys didn't know, I've done one my freshman year and my sophomore year, and now I'm in my junior year. Yes, time is flying, going too fast. But here I am, and I have a room tour. First, if you haven't checked out the previous room tours, I'm going to have it above right now. So go check those two videos out first. And then also, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button right now if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. And also turn on the notifications so you get an alert on when I post. Back to me talking. So, okay, I have a room tour for you guys. A lot of this stuff is the same from last year, maybe the previous year, I'm not really sure, but majority of the stuff is the same from last year. I did change a few little things. I am in a whole different room, so it is set up differently. Things are changed, like moved around differently. I did add things, I did take away things, so it's new, it's refreshed. During the room tour, I'm not gonna be telling you where each thing is from. I've probably mentioned it in a previous video, so that's why I'm not doing it, and it's gonna take up too much time. Majority of the stuff I'm telling you right now is from Target, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, IKEA, a DIY of some sort. And if you do have questions on where something's from or the placement of things or whatever type of questions you have, just put them down below and I'll answer it without a... So let's cut all the talking and get right into this video. Oh, in this room tour, I'm also going to be showing you the bathroom area. Not only my room, but my vanity area and the bathroom area. So look out for that too. So enough of all the talking. I'm tired of talking. Let's get right into this college dorm room / apartment tour. So let's get started. You got me feeling somewhere, baby, ain't that right? You ain't got control of me, so you should just go find someone that'll take good care of. These eyes don't quite read, not being rude, but you just need to make your mind up. Tell me why I never think of us. Tell me why I don't just make it. Okay, so welcome to my room. Here is the door. So you come in, and then I'll give you guys a quick overview, really quick, of it. And now, okay, so you come in, here's the door. Go to the left, and then there's the bed. I'll show you guys from this way so I can tell you where everything's from. So there, I just have pictures of like family and stuff like that. Little quotes, a note that my mom gave me. That's my towel. Don't mind that. Here's my bedding. I did change it from last year. The only thing I changed was this. It was gray last year, so I got this. This is from IKEA. This pillow also is new from IKEA. I did change this pillow and sheets, so that's different from last year. You guys seen that already. It's just in a different place this year. And then my tapestry, Zodiac tapestry. This is from Amazon. Most of my pillows are from Target. I think all of them are. Yeah, they're all from Target. My throw blanket. I love my bed this year. It's super comfortable. And it's really me. It's like polka dot color for, you know, how I like it. So here's an overview. Okay, so under my bed I have these, what are these? Containers with clothes in them. All different clothes are under my bed. That's under there. Here, I'll show you the rug. I got this fur rug. I was so excited when I got it. It's from Burlington. I forgot how much it was, but it was super cheap, especially for the size of it. And it's really, really comfortable. Every time somebody comes in my room, they just lay on the rug. Super, super, super comfortable. And I love the white on white on white. It's just nice and clean and refreshing. Okay, so next to the bed, I have this thing. You guys also seen this already. It's just filled with like covers and blankets and pillows and heating pads and random stuff. And then I have my new plant. You guys know I love plants. Her name is Lucy. This is Lucy, guys. It's from IKEA. Absolutely love it. I want to get a plant pot for it to repot it in a cute one to make it look really cute. But this will do for now. And then over here I have this mirror. That's me. I have this mirror. It's the same one from last year, just a basic stand-up mirror from like Target or Walmart. Can't remember where. Actually, somebody gave this to me. So it's either from Target or Walmart. Okay, then over here is my clothing rack. You guys know I always change my clothes on there. I always change it. Just the way I'm feeling, my new stuff that I get, just whatever. Yeah. I'm not gonna go through each clothing thing, but you guys get the message, get the picture. That's the clothing rack. Those are my drawings and pictures that I bought as well. Okay, so on to window area, desk area / everything area. Right here is my calendar. I have to have a calendar. If not, I'll forget everything, forget where I have to go. So that's that. It has my classes. I actually got to change this over. Classes, work schedule, random stuff that I have to do. That's there. This is new. I'm in a whole different room from last year, but the way I decorate it is a little different. Similar stuff is in here, but I did it differently. So a new add-on to my decor is this window. So here is this window curtain. I would say this is kind of like a DIY on not putting nails in the wall or anything like that in a college dorm room. So I guess if you want, I can't really do a DIY on this because it's already up. So I'll just tell you how I did it. I have two command strips, two command hooks on each side, and then I got a curtain rod and basically just latched it on. It was super easy, really cheap to do. I got these curtains from IKEA for really cheap. Curtain rod, cheap. The command hooks, you know, they go by how big they are, which is really relatively cheap. So this was really cute, really easy thing to do. The curtains go all the way down. There's my trash can as well. My view is not as good as last year's, but it's okay. Okay, so on to this desk area right here. Here I have candle, elephant, Sephora bag, just because it looks nice with the rest of the decor. My fake plants, another fake plant, elephant, some artwork by me, elephant, my bamboos. This is Alani's bamboo, my roommate / best friend. I'm babysitting her bamboo because her room gets no light and my room gets a lot of light, so that's that. My sewing machine, I need to start sewing, guys. It's time. Laptop, calendar, notebook / stuff, little office supplies. Quick overview of this. It's just regular school stuff, papers, lotion, just random stuff down there. I have it nice and neat though, so it goes with the room decor and, you know, it blends in. It doesn't look crazy. So that's that. Over here is closet. I'm not gonna show you guys that. It's just clothes in there, shoes in there, laundry basket, just a mess. Yeah, it's just a closet. So next we have my dresser. It's just a dresser with clothes in it and stuff like that. I'll show you guys the top of it, an overview. Oh, there's some new stuff on here. Okay, so this you guys already seen from my last video. I have my plants, my killing it picture. Here's some artwork that I did. I actually have a video of this on my channel somewhere, I believe. If I can find it, I'll link it above somewhere so you guys can see how I created this art piece. Here I have my books. This is new. Let me move this candle out of the way. These book holders are new. They're elephants. I got them from either TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and I absolutely love them. Here's books that I've read or that I'm planning on reading. Here is my candle. I love these candles so much. There's a candle in every room in here. Here is just this bowl. It was on clearance in either Marshalls or TJ Maxx, and I don't know, it just called my name for whatever reason. Yeah. So I just have this filled with like headphones and chargers and random stuff, receipts, all that. Here I have my speaker that I absolutely love, Bose speaker. Next to that is just this Urban Outfitters bag. It just has more bags in it, like just random bags, shopping bags, you know. And I had nowhere else to put it, so I put it there. And then that's the door. So I gave you guys a whole 360 of my room. Okay, so welcome to the vanity area. This is my side. Turn the light on. Here's an overview of it. Alani's is over there. So we have this big mirror and then our whole vanity. So here, I'll start on this side. I have my elephant. You guys seen that. Then I have just toothbrush, toothpaste, brush, comb behind there. Towel, washcloth, my little mirror. I love this mirror. Facial stuff, cleaning stuff like cotton balls, tissues, all that, Q-tips. My candle, you guys know I love candles. My soap dispenser, my quote right here, you guys seen this before. Then I have my salt lamp, an elephant, and then makeup stuff right here. Makeup, jewelry, sunglasses, jewelry, another candle. Down here I have like hygiene stuff, hair products, just random stuff that I need like for bathroom wise and showering wise. Over here we put this tapestry here because we didn't know where else to put it. It really serves no purpose, but we don't have nowhere else to put it. And then I have my chair, trash can, and rug. Okay, so next from my vanity is the shower room and toilet. So let's turn the light on here. I love our bathroom. Let me just tell you this. This is our shower curtain. Get naked. Here's our rug. The lighting is not good in here at all. So bear with me. This is our little cart. We have our little quote things, some wipes, flowers, another elephant, girl products, shampoos, more toilet paper, trash can, toilet, some fake plants. Behind the door we have these quotes. So yeah, just a quick overview. It looks nice without the light on. So here's another overview real quick for you guys. Okay, here's the final overview of the vanity area. Okay, I'm back. Hey guys. Alright, you guys just watched the room tour. You guys seen my dorm room, whatever. I keep calling it dorm room. My room, the bathroom area, all that. Let me know what you guys think about how I decorated, how me and Alani decorated the bath. Let me know how you like it. Comment below any questions you have about where I got stuff from. Just whatever type of questions you have about this video, comment them below. I'll be answering them without a problem. So that's all for my college room tour. I'm a junior, guys. This is crazy. Time is flying. It's going by super, super fast. It's scaring me. So that's all I have for you guys. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, like I said, make sure you hit that red button and subscribe. You don't want to miss out. Also, hit the notifications button so you get an alert on when I upload a new video. Check out my old videos if you're a new subscriber. Let me know what you think. See where we've come from. Like, see the growth. And guess what, guys? We are almost at 100 subscribers. I think we're at 98. We're almost at 100, and I'm super, 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 super excited and grateful. So with that being said, I am going to be doing a giveaway once we hit 100 subscribers. I feel like I'm just going to go to the store and just buy a lot of stuff and put it in a box and send it to a lucky subscriber. So make sure you are subscribed so we can get to that 100 and I could do the giveaway. once we hit 100 subscribers, I will be doing a video, a sit down video. Basically, it's gonna be some type of video. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but something. And within that video, I will be giving the rules out about the giveaway. Also, make sure you are following me on Instagram at Nichelle Sade, because I will be doing the rules of the giveaway up there as well. The giveaway will be done through my website, nichellesade.com. So if you're not yet already, make sure you are a subscriber on there. Sign up on that website. It's free. It's totally free. Just become a part of the family and sign up for the website. That's where the giveaway will take place. I'm talking way too much. I'm tired of talking. I hope you guys enjoy this college room tour. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and hit that notifications button, and I'll see you when we hit 100 subscribers. Also, make sure you follow me, like I said, on social media, on Twitter and Instagram at nichellesade.com, because I'm on there every single day. So until our next video, when we hit 100 subscribers, I will see you guys then. Mwah.